Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this handmade snack bowl with just a piece of paper. To do this, take a certain size of paper, and then start folding the paper as I am doing in the video. After you're done folding, glue the edge of the paper so that it doesn't unfold. Now let the glue dry for a moment. Congratulations, you've made a nice looking box that can be used for multiple uses, for example, this. If you like this video, then share it with your friends, let them know how they can make it, and if you're interested in this kind of videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.